In this video, I'll show you how to solve the Black Phone 2 puzzle on Discord step by step. First, open the Discord server or channel where the puzzle has been posted. Carefully read all the instructions and look for any clues or numbers mentioned. Check the text, images, or emojis for hidden codes, patterns, or sequences. Pay close attention to things like capital letters, symbols, or repeated characters. These small details often point you toward the solution. If the puzzle includes a numeric code, try matching the numbers to letters using a phone keypad. Also, make sure to explore any links or attachments that come with the puzzle. They might contain important parts of the answer. Once you've gathered all your hints, combine them logically to form a word, phrase, or number sequence. Then, test your answer by typing it into the Discord chat box or the designated bot command. If it doesn't work, don't worry, go back and review all the clues carefully. Sometimes a small detail can change the entire answer. Once your solution is accepted, take a screenshot or write it down for future reference or any rewards. And that's how you can solve the Black Phone 2 puzzle on Discord.